So I'm down here at Tradesman 4x4 this morning in Epping, Victoria, and they're going to install a platform roof rack for me on my new canopy. So let's go inside and see how it all goes. All right, so let's have a look. So this is their workshop here and warehouse. So I'm going to come in and have a look. There's my beast in the background. There we go. So this is the platform roof rack that's going to get put on. Check this thing out. There you go. So now the beast will be complete. So that's going to get put up here on top of the canopy. All right, so I'm here with Hill at Tradesman 4x4, and he's going to install this roof rack for me. So why is this one? Why do people choose this one over like just two regular bars or something?
Well, it gives you more strength on the roof, spreads the load over the roof. You can put rooftop tents, awnings and all the camping accessories. When you need to be able to put something on without stand-up bars, it also gives you lower profile. So what most people choose.
That's it. All right, cool. Let's watch him put this thing on. So that is, did you say that's aluminium or alloy?
Yes, aluminium.
Aluminium, yeah, that's good. Yeah, so it's extra light, not too much weight on there. While they're installing my rack over there, I'll do a quick little tour of their warehouse. So all this stuff behind me is ready to go. It's all just waiting for customers to pay. There's another whole bunch right behind me. So they have over 200 dealerships that they work with. Let's have a look at this. They're doing a couple of other installs. So this Mitsubishi over here is going to get a tray put on it. So these trays behind me, one of those trays is going to go on that Mitsubishi. There's another one outside ready to go. Might as well actually tell you guys about some of their products. So if you look at the Tradesman trays here, you'll see that these bars are actually 75 mil, whereas a lot of the other suppliers have thinner diameter ones. So these are what they call the heavy duty bars, and you'll see all the tray sides, they're all actually double skin, not single skin. So they're corrugated on one side plus a little flat surface on the other. So a lot of the other tray providers don't have double skin, they just got single. And you can see they've got 2-inch bars down here as well. So they're bigger than usual. So everything here is extra heavy duty. So this is a pre-assembled canopy, so that they actually pre-assemble them before they put them on to make it a bit easier. And then they lift it on. So this is an exact replica of my one. So that's how I did it. However, I didn't have 4 of us. So we struggled a bit at home, but this is obviously the easier way. So if you're considering getting yourself a canopy, this is how it goes on. There you go, just like that. And now they'll obviously do all the brackets, do all the silicon and all the wiring and whatever else. But there you go. That's it.
The reason for the alignment this way is that if you look down the line at the back of your canopy, you take things off your roof, you'd accidentally drop it onto your canopy, damage your canopy.
Ah.
You also have all the roof rail components to be able to put your tie downs in. Makes it nice and easy to put accessories on.
There you go. All right, Hill, thank you very much. It's done.
No worries. It's good.
Thanks, man. All right, so my ute's done. I have reversed it out. Let's have the first look at it with the fresh roof rack on. This is done and complete. They've told me to just double check every 5,000 Ks, just double check all the nuts and bolts just to make sure it hasn't loosened up. But this is it. Have a look at that. What do you reckon? Oh, bright in the sun. Look at that. What a difference. Look at that. So the platform roof rack is on. Yeah, make sure you check out all my other videos about the BYD Interesting to see if this is going to suit the earth moving world, and you can follow my adventure as I build this thing up and test it out. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
for tracks obviously. On the lot.
The cane steel resistance.